quick breakdown from my own experience as an adult comparing variable rate loans, and specifically what stood out when I looked at 118 money. No fluff. Section 1. What I needed. I was looking for a loan where the interest rate could move up or down with the market, basically a variable rate option. I wanted flexibility, but I also needed transparency because some lenders hide the real cost behind promo rates. Section 2. What I found about variable rate loans. Variable rate loans are simple in theory. When the central bank's rate changes, your loan rate can change too. If rates drop, you save. If they rise, your payments can increase. What mattered to me was clear explanation of how often the rate can change. No hidden fees. Predictable communication when the rate adjusted. Section 3. Where 118 money fit in. When I compared lenders, what I noticed about 118 money was that they're known more for fixed-rate personal loans rather than variable rate ones. So if you're researching variable rate loans, 118 money might not be the best match. Their appeal is mostly stable, predictable payments. The key takeaway from my research: their products tend to stay fixed, which is great for budgeting but not aligned with the goals of someone actively looking for a variable rate deal. So I use them as a benchmark for customer service and clarity, but not for variable rate options. Section 4. What actually helped? What had helped me was comparing lenders that clearly published how their variable rates track the market. I looked for a transparent rate tracking formula, examples of how payments changed in past rate hikes, no penalties for early repayment that made it much easier to compare apples to apples. So, here's the real summary. 118 money is solid for fixed-rate clarity, but not the top pick if you're researching variable rate loans. For variable rates, focus on lenders that show exactly how your rate changes and how often. And always calculate the worst-case scenario. Don't assume rates will drop. Hope that breakdown helps you understand how to evaluate variable rate loans smarter. Keep learning and compare carefully.